Hey guys, I'm Angela.
I'm Celeste
from A
to the Twist.
My favorite project in 4-H is construction toys.
In construction toys, you can create projects with Legos, connects, and constructs.
And erector, tinker toys, Lincoln logs, Duplo blocks, and more.
The recipe for this week is Tortilla Roll Ups.
We want to thank Cornell University Cooperative Extension for giving us this recipe.
Before we get started, make sure to try this recipe at home to earn your points for the Learn and Earn section.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel,
A to the Twist,
for more recipes.
Let's get started! For this recipe, you will need 6 whole wheat flour tortillas.
You will also need 1 cup of low-fat grated cheese, which is about 4 ounces.
You will need 1 cup of mild salsa, which is about 8 ounces.
You will need 1 cup of black beans drained, which is about half a can.
Lastly, an optional item is 1 mashed avocado.
First, we're going to put our tortillas on a plate and cover them with a paper towel.
Then we are going to microwave them for 1 minute.
This first step is optional. Next, we're going to mix together our cheese, salsa, and black beans.
We're going to spread a spoonful of our mixture onto the tortilla. Then we are going to roll it up and cut it in half.
Now our tortilla roll-up is ready to serve.
Let's go try it. Here we have our tortilla roll-up. The tortilla roll-up kind of reminds me of the colorful black bean salad we did a few weeks ago, and it's pretty good.
I'm not a big fan of burritos, but that was a really good one. And that was our tortilla roll-up.
Make sure to try this recipe at home to earn your points for the Learn and Earn section.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel,
A to the Twist,
for more recipes.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.